Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yo. You like you say things we so.
We are up.
Live in
Chris, where we're going? Where we're going? Where we're going? Orlando.
You see me as a
Nairan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Oh that. Oh that.
Yo!
We're there. Orlando.
Day one. Are they one this?
Not even.
Not even day one?
Not even day one.
Are they what, two?
Day half.
This is day a million for me.
We got Jay here. Big up to Jay.
Day a million.
Jay shy, you know. On camera. She's shy on camera.
Yeah, stop it, Chad!
And then, alright. We got Drew here. Everybody know Drew. We don't really want to talk to Drew right now. I'll talk to the new famous Zeus.
I pray everybody.
How going, Zeus?
There man.
Yeah, man, there. Ready for Orlando?
Yeah man.
We got Paige. Hello, Paige. And then we have Danielle right here. Everybody know who Danielle is. Then I want to see your face right now. How this? How this? Watch out.
Damn. You never watch.
How that?
Yo, Chaddy.
How that?
I forgot drink two.
Yeah, I can't drink two.
I forgot drink two. 4 cups.
Never drink one.
No, what about cups? One link up.
Babe, I'm gonna drink 2 for you. She can't drink.
Wake up and they're still sitting.
Andrew Burt here. Momentarily.
Yes, 43 me done. 43.
My God. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Before you toast, yes. Watch how you not connect them glass there. $25. They charge for those glasses, okay? We don't want unbroke. Alright.
We need to go get some cup.
What are you right now?
Yeah, we get coconut right now.
Vince. Yeah, we get couple.
We are currently at Walmart right now, and Danielle is shopping till she drop. Look at this. Look what we got. This is the plug, guys. When you're drunk and you're hungry and there's nothing there to eat, only this. This is all we have to pay out. This is all we get. Ready? Look, ready?
Fun bread.
Watch out. Look here, people. Look here. You can't. The Jamaican know what them. You know watch them. Alyssa, we need some. Watch out. No. Pre this white person.
You have a problem?
I want a corned beef sandwich. That's all I'm
Go to find the Jamaican section. Right over there.
It's a beautiful morning. Look at that beautiful sky out there. Look at that. Good morning, guys. I'm up. I just wash my face, so you're not gonna see no matter on my probably. But anyways, it is a beautiful morning right now. We have some chefs in the kitchen. We're gonna show you who's the chefs. And last night everybody knocked out around 2:34. Vince did knock out first. Vince got KO quick. But yeah, I'm gonna show you outside right now. We have a chef in the building. Watch out.
Make some gandhi banding, you know.
Yeah. I don't know say you can cook gun.
Yes.
You know what I say? I just one morning, you know.
Yeah, let's get up.
And say, you know, me I got try a thing. And the try thing turn into a whole chef
Masterpiece, though.
Yeah. You see Chef Ramsay?
Yeah, man.
Idiot.
So you could have win Master Chef. You could have win Master Chef.
A Master Chef not try to find out, but you know, man, go on, you know, one thing for YouTube and thing, you see me? But it's getting there. Chef Ramsay may have come. Oh my God.
So Paige wake up early. Paige is up. Drew is up as usual. Danielle is always up. And we have Alyssa. Morning. She has chef out too. She just keeping an eye on Gunter.
She can cook.
When I feel like it.
When she feel like it. When she feel like
When she feel like it, she can cook.
When she feel like it, she'll
Whip it up. You're the chef.
recipe, you know, just send it to me and me chef it up.
Chef it up. Dog, you don't know what you're missing now. Some flour.
And that I think of make dumpling.
Dumpling.
Take too long.
Yeah.
If you fry it, put it on the
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't take too long.
And we know some ghetto style right now, cause you know.
So I'll whip it up with some crackers.
Crackers, bo. Some real old school thing that.
Yeah, crackers and bread and some ginger tea.
Ginger tea. Where ginger tea come from though?
Listen, we couldn't find the original ginger.
We are watch some ball skills, you know. Watch out. Aye! Round the world, yeah. Round the world, one more time. Oh, yeah, dog! We're going to right now. Both the
Chef Gunners for the weekend. Right?
chef gunners for the weekend.
What's your next?
Can't beef the chat, man, for real.
What's Chaddy love pork, don't you?
No, dog.
Eat it.
That's,
You meat pork, don't you?
When I go to the seafood place,
Yeah,
I
man.
see him eat it.
we never eat the pork before. You
Wait.
too lie.
Wait,
Top 10 lie for me, I seen.
You eat
never
it at the seafood place.
Never feeling him eat it, you know.
Pork nice sometimes, dog.
Sometimes, why the other times why not nice?
Baller.
Why pray?
Just come off at airport from Real Madrid.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Them release my contract, you know, so.
So you're back in the States.
Yeah, back in the States for like off season.
Off season.
Then I have to go back.
But them say you need them out.
Yeah, I say I get too old for this, so when them release Ronaldo, them need another baller, so them give me like a half time, and
Yeah.
then I go back.
Go back.
Yeah, man.
I say I gotta be a top goal scorer.
Hey, yeah, man's best striker in the
Top
league.
lie, dog.
I would name Messi.
Who that?
I would that.
Who that? Happy now.
No hot fries in my teeth.
Yo, see the jacuzzi there, dog?
You can go and jacuzzi. Hi guys, it's me. And look who I found. This guy, he's putting in his contacts.
Putting in my contacts, guys.
How's your weekend going?
Weekend's going good. We're just done playing ball. I'm drained right now.
Yeah, we're at pool.
We're going
playing.
to
Halloween
Halloween
Horror
nights,
Nights.
but we had like some food because if we don't eat,
Oh,
we're
I
gonna
know
die.
fast food.
And we're gonna
I want
get-
some rice and chicken and something.
Yeah, there's a Jamaican restaurant supposedly down the road, which is like 10 miles away.
10 miles away.
Yeah.
Everything's like far from us.
Bust the dance, man, bust the dance. Watch out. People. Get him. And let's stop hype up the man. On the way to Halloween Horror Nights right now. Well, get food first. We in here. Look there. Look there, people. Ross, I miss.
Yeah.
Let's see you now, Alyssa. Yeah, take time there. For real? Yes. J there. PH there. What a full up already.
Talk to your vlog, Chad.
Yeah, so currently right now I'm dosing this food into my stomach. You know, and then we're gonna head off to Halloween Horror Nights.
Right.
Tell me how you really feel.
What himself? I the youngest lad. Johnny. Them can't stand with.
So this shit now move.
Dog, you might start-
Lazy.
you might start-
Lazy. Watch out. Group of lazy people right here.
Yo, move.
Alright, so I got a drink here. Gunners have a drink. Alyssa have a drink. Vince have a drink. And Danielle have water. Oh God.
Cheerful.
Oh, this tastes so. Cheers. What's up?
You guys alright? Yeah, we're good. We get scared of shit too, though. You know, we out here.
Good morning. Last night, why? Tired. Mash up. Right now, I can't move. I can't feel my leg them. The amount of walking we do in Halloween Horror Nights. Worse. Just had food still. I'm tired. We're both gonna head out to the pool again. Nice little scenery. How this? You can't even see him, watch him. You can't even see him, how this? It's real dog. Bumbuckler. Not a beer teeth dog.
Look at them playing volleyball. I wonder who's winning. They're playing volleyball.
Five. Out of that. Out of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start it, Chad. Start it.
We are currently here right now, trying to figure out what food we can get right now. We don't know what we can get right now. Alyssa right over there. Alyssa, what we eating, Alyssa? We're starving.
We are.
The kids gotta eat, Alyssa. The kids over here gotta eat.
Guys, ovation.
We need justice.
We need justice.
And look at Gunter. Look at Gunter. Gun.
They got 4.5 stars.
You got to do better, brother. Your skin out like girl over there, so. A bathing suit, shoot ya though.
No, yeah, that's tomorrow.
What we eating?
Ovation.
What we eating?
Ovation.
What is that?
The palm tree, come on.
4.5 stars, $2 signs, 11 minutes away.
Jay, what up on the menu for me?
I don't know, it's not loading. It's American. So
Look at this.
American food, we can go there?
Yeah. It's American food.
Well, it gets 600 reviews, that good.
And it still has 4.5 stars after the 600 reviews.
Alright, we're going off of Jay's.
Right. No, it's Drew.
Well, oh, Drew pick
If it
it.
turns out bad, we can't blame me.
Drew, it's all in your hands, Drew.
Let's do it. 11 minutes away. Start.
You're hungry. Vince right there, so watch him. Hungry. Frost.
They have desserts, guys.
I can't talk right now. Hey, no, for real, we need to get some of that wine there again.
Yeah.
The liquor store on the way.
They are wavy.
Chris said we need to get some more wine. We're wavy.
Beats here. Check it
Beats right. Alright.
You already know.
Alright.
Check out.
Alright, checking out. We're going about to go eat at Ovation.
Yep.
Standing Ovation.
Isn't it?
What? Chili's? Chili's was the one.
I'm not chilling, so I'm gonna. Wait,
Ovation Bistro Bar. Ovation.
Chris last. No, you need to go put us a review. Chris, I'm going to put him in here now. We're not trouble now. Chris, no know what you want. $2 sign, you know. Not even the appetizer we can afford. We're gonna afford it now. Out here right now, we're at Bistro and Bar Ovation. Look at that shit. Loud. Everybody. The whole crew out here. They got mojitos. Drew out here. Everybody out here. Yeah, soon check it out. Hold on. Alyssa, Gunta, Jay, right here. some lobster.
It's delicious.
Yeah? Good? Yeah, dog. If you don't make the girl lick in her head back, dog.
Shut up.
Potential licking head back.
Box off here.
I'ma fuck you up tonight.
Dead, fix it back. Get dead, dog.
You can't fix it back, man.
Yeah, it's too late.
Watch out.
Alright, run it, Vince. How much are them? Me?
40.
3. Really? You're so close to the edge.
Oh shit! Man, I'm more gear. I'm confused.
Page almost get spine buster, dog.
Julia, say Julia, I was confused. Joe, come out and bed. Say Julia, Joe, come out and bed, dog. Fuck us. Joe, that's how I want. Yo, alright. If I come on, I say come on. I walk on. I walk on.
Vacation is over. My voice gone from last night. You can't even hear me right now. We are heading back to home. Unfortunately, you know, when you're vacation, you just can't vacation no more. Cause you know, is either your money done, or you have to go back because your time limited. Anyways, back to what I'm saying. It was a great vacation. We are gonna head to our house now and chill out. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hope you guys comment down below.
So you're just gonna forget some hot money?
And Danielle's coming. Hold on. She was barely talking, by the way, guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
I was just watching Chad get drunk and be mad.
I wasn't that.
I forgot to vlog last night because everyone was firebombing in the pool. And I couldn't have the camera.
With that firebomb, you couldn't firebomb. No, you firebomb on the sideline.
I was just cleaning up.
You can't hear me, boys.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh, yo.